key to improving your 360 videos is understanding how a 360 camera works compared to a traditional action camera. This video will explain how this works and offer some useful tips. Using Insta360 X3 as an example, the camera shoots 360 videos at up to 5.7K resolution, but when selecting the best views in post, also known as reframing, you only use a portion of the total 5.7K resolution video. Another factor that affects the clarity of a 360 video is the field of view, FOV. If you choose a wide FOV, you'll utilize more of the images and the clarity will be higher. If you select a narrow FOV, this uses a smaller part of the image and the clarity will be lower. So, here are 3 tips to improve your 360 videos. Make sure you shoot in the highest possible resolution for your camera. For example, this would be 5.7K using Insta360 X3. Choose a wider FOV. When exporting your clip via the app, choose the default resolution 1080p and the default bitrate. This will be sufficient for sharing to social media.